Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if your baby is bottle fed, you're definitely going to want to take this folding rack from Munchkin on your next trip. It literally just takes seconds to set up, which is so great when you're on the go. You don't want anything too complicated. And my favorite part about this drying rack is that it fits 8 bottles. We have 8 bottles, so this was perfect for us, and it is set up perfectly for these type of bottles with the air vents as well. We have actually taken this with us on several trips, and it doesn't take up much room, which is great when you're staying at a hotel with a small vanity. And if you're like me and you like to clear your vanity before you leave for the day, it's so easy to just fold it down and tuck it away. It's really easy to fit in your luggage too. So if you're preparing for your next trip, or if you are just always on the go and need a drying rack to bring with you to places, this bottle drying rack from Munchkin is such a lifesaver. You're gonna be glad you have it, and that's my point of view.